No drinks at the bar. Pop champagne, cause we got that dough. Hey loves, it's your girl Miss Krista. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, you already know it is the second edition of Thirsty Thursdays. Hey loves, did you miss me? I missed y'all. That's why I'm recording, okay? So today I'm bringing you drinks from a brand called MXD. They got the Long Island iced tea. And they also have the Margarita. Now, I went online to find out some information about this brand because I want to know, like, where did they come from? Like, they just popped up out the blue onto our cooler shelves, you know what I'm saying, at the corner stores. And there really wasn't much information to find out about MXD. It does have a, what's this? Get MXD and get going. You can type in your zip code and you can find out if they have an MXD in your city or in your state. I'm in Michigan, so we certainly have it here. And I also found out they have another flavor, which is Mai Tai. They did not have Mai Tai at the corner store, because if they did, I would have got that as well, but they didn't. So today we will be trying the Long Island iced tea and the margarita. So for this, I got a straw. No cup needed. Now, normally I don't drink Long Island iced teas out the cans, love, because, you know what I'm saying, you never really know what's in it. And you know, this says that this is 12% alcohol by volume. Oh yeah, and if you're under 21 watching this video, don't try to go to the store and get this drink. You're not getting it. They're going to card you. So let it go. Just let it go. Tell your mama, your auntie, your sister, your brother, somebody that's grown about it. Okay? That's how that go. And I know y'all, like, I always touch my hair, loves. It's just a bad habit. I'll try not to. Like I was saying, I normally don't get Long Island iced teas out the can. I normally, when I go to the bar or out to eat, if I get a Long Island, I always ask for top shelf Long Island. I used to work at the bar. I used to be a waitress and a bartender, so I know that Long Island iced tea has its own Long Island liquor. And I'm like, when they come through, and I'm like, Long Island liquor? What is Long Island liquor? It has its own liquor, and then they mix it with the cola. Y'all already know how that go. And they use the same Long Island liquor and put the lime for the margarita. So just in case you didn't know, I'm letting you know. So always ask for a top shelf. Top shelf will guarantee that you're getting a top shelf Long Island should have Remy, Hennessy, you know, all the good cognacs in it. And a top shelf margarita should always have Patron or some type of good tequila in it. This will be my first time tasting this, love, so I'll let you know. I'm going to try this again. I don't like this, loves. This tastes like medicine. This is a thumbs down for me. A no-go for the MXD Long Island. I can't even get with that at all. I can't even put a finger on the taste. I mean, I can see you trying, but that's not it. It's a no-go for the MXD Long Island for me. I'm going to have to pour that down the drain. Let's try the MXD Margarita. It's 12% alcohol by volume as well. And you see he has a cute little chihuahua. Hopefully this is better, loves. That's why I'm tasting it now, so you don't have to. How y'all doing this Thursday? I hope everybody is enjoying themselves. They had a beautiful day. You know, work was productive. You know, everything good. And get the unwind. You know, not unwind, but, you know, get a little thirsty when you get home and, you know, enjoy your Thursday. Ooh. Excuse me, loves. This margarita It's not bad. It tastes a little bad after sipping it behind the Long Island, but you can certainly tell that this is supposed to be a margarita versus, I don't like this. Maybe somebody will, though. I'm not saying that it's not good. It's just not good to me. I don't equate this. It doesn't taste nothing like a Long Island to me. This MXD cocktail mix margarita tastes like a margarita to me. I would certainly pick this one over that one. If they had the Mai Tai at the store, I would try that one for you as well. I do want to say thank you. This Thirsty Thursday was kind of short, right? Because I only had 2 drinks to try and let you know about. And they didn't have any information on their website for me to share. But on the website, you can put in your zip code, whatever state, city you're in, and you can find out if this MXD is sold in your area. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I mean, I'm very grateful to, any and everybody that subscribe and take time out their day to see what it is that I have to bring you. I always don't know what to say sometimes on camera, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm human. That's why y'all love me. That's why y'all rocks with me. But, yeah, I guess that would conclude this Thirsty Thursdays. All my information will be in the description box below. If you want to contact me, if you want to send me products or things that you would like me to try and review and let people know about, give my honest opinion, my information is in the description box below. If you want to sponsor a Thirsty Thursday or sponsor a video, that information is in the description box below as well. And I will put this MXD cocktail website in the description box below. Thank you so much, loves, and until next week. Bye.